Hi everyone, this is Mary Lovelace, and here's my quick tutorial about how to embed Jamboard into a website. Now, just to let you know, currently Jamboard does not have the capabilities to fully embed into a website, unfortunately. So I'm going to show you a quick tip about how to get around that. So first, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to convert your Jamboard into a PDF or image. So what you're going to do is click on these three dots up here, and you can click on download as PDF or save frame as image. If you want to download your entire Jamboard, you will need to do it by PDF. See, I want to do the whole thing in this case. Or if you just want to do one frame, which is this right here, then you click as an image. If you want, so again, if you want to do the whole thing, download as PDF. If you want to just pick one frame, then you'll do it as image, okay? So you'll go ahead and download it, and then you'll want to save it to your Google Drive. Now, I already have it in my Google Drive over here, so I'm going to click on Jamboard example right here. I'm going to right click. It's going to pop up this screen, and I'm going to click Get Link. This screen will pop up. This is the link that you're going to want to get. So you will copy link, click there, it is copied, and you're going to want to make sure that anybody with the link can view your document. Okay, then you'll click done, and then you'll go over to your website. Now I have an example Google site here to show you, and what you're going to do is you are going to double click, and you're going to click on their embed tool. It's right here for Google Sites. It's also on the side here. Wherever you need to embed it, click on there. And we have a URL, so I'm going to paste the site, and then it will pop up right here, and I can adjust it. Now, again, this is only the final copy of the Jamboard. Unfortunately, you cannot go back and have it embedded to where everyone can collaborate. I'll show you. And this is on all sites. It's just the way that Jamboard is set up. If you did try to get the link, let's see. Actually, we're going to click share just so I can show you. If I wanted to copy the link so anyone had access, and I tried to embed that in by the URL, it will not let you because the site does not give you permission, okay? It will only display as a text link and will only give that link. So unfortunately, you're not able to embed unless you do it as a PDF or an image, okay? I hope that was helpful. Thank you.